There's the secondary motherboard installed in the system. And one thing I discovered that when I do get the ribbon cord riser with the riser board, that this fan is not going to work. This fan is way too high, and the view card is not going to have any clearance there. So for now, I'll just leave it there for now and use it. And once I got all the other components to finish this off with the GPU, I will basically just use the one that came with the processor, and that'll be more than sufficient for the size there. If not, I'll have to put a liquid cooler kit on it in the future. Case is tight on space, so. Alright, let's get that new power supply run so we can turn the system on. First I'm going to do is I think I'm going to run the power cords through the case, and then I'll push the other one through that power supply, old one. Take that one out. It's failing anyway, so